Ramola only short life. Joba Mojese. Ilesha is our next stop. R.I.P. Babagidi Bagbe. Very good man. Olaguteni. My sis Licky Leaks. Sekodun. Amolile smile for the camera. Next morning I think Bira okay. With Waterfalls. Did a little research with our map and guide. We started our trip. About just Amazon forest o. Pìtìpìtì oníbàyàn ọmọ àǹtí mi. Ẹ ṣàánú mi o. Bó la wà yìí. Eventually, we got there. Nice view. Mo rọ́mọ kan níta kí ló fẹ́ ọmọ. Ó lóun ta omi òkè. Mo méjì wá. Let's go. Bàbá sanwó. A wọlé. Àsọmọ Jésè náà. Onílù lára ti dúró dè wá. Ó ti ń lùlù sílẹ̀. Bàbá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ijó yìí. A gbọ́dọ̀ jó. Ijó yá ni. A gbọ́dọ̀ jó. I have to appreciate the gods. Mo bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ijó yìí. Nkú mọ́ ijó náà bọ̀. Mo ṣáà ń jó. Mo ń jó ẹsẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Àtẹ̀wó díẹ̀. Bó tẹ̀ pọ̀, a ṣáà tẹ̀wó. We started our trips. Olómìnirin. Waterfalls. Oríadé local government. Ibẹ̀ la wà. See the view. Ọmọ. Nature at its finest. The steps are a little bit nice, but don't overstep your step. Add a little quick selfie. You can see the controlled water. Everything is going on smooth. Our bottled water started our trip. About better saying go kilo. About go kilo. If you want to come here, just watch your step very well. Wow. We met some people on the way. We exchanged greetings. I have a better expedition. Mountain climbers. They were on the 3rd floor by. What's up? Rora. So it's quite rocky, but the water, we have to go to the water, so it was all worth it. Finally, we got there. Along to below. The feeling and the water is quite amazing. It felt like home. And I had to feel at home. Mobile bottle, bag of chocolate, mini cotton. It was quite cold, but I enjoyed it. My body and soul so refreshed. But it's quite an amazing feeling, and I really enjoyed it. I even went behind the rocks. We are marigold the food to fat and nothing day. I felt the coldness of the rock with the water. It was quite amazing. I saw a butterfly. I saved it from drowning. Bye bye. All right, we have a party to attend. Yeah, I'll go to check out my law. What to do? What do you think?